Swing your way to victory as the first ever El Presidente Cup. The Ramon Fernandez Charity Golf Tournament happens this June 11, 2023 at the newly opened 18-hole Liloan Golf and Leisure Estates. This is among the series of activities lined up to raise funds for the Ramon S. Fernandez Sports and Youth Development Foundation, aimed at building the sports grassroots program in the country. Its founder, the country's living basketball legend and former Philippine Sports Commissioner Ramon Fernandez, believes that the involvement of the youth in sports is very important, not just for their growth and exposure to further opportunities, but also in keeping them away from negative influences.
Really, I would like to encourage our youth, to pick up a sport or two. The values that you will learn, that you will develop by playing a sport are basically the same values and virtues that you need to go through and to be successful in life. This is without saying, of course, na ang isa sa pinakamalaking problema ngayon sa ating mga kabataan ay yung problema natin sa drugs. So isa to sa mga way, the best way, really, na maiwas natin ang ating mga kabataan sa drogas.
The El Presidente Cup will be joined by golfers from all over the country, including prominent personalities.
We are already getting participation from Metro Manila and even from Mindanao. Yung mga kaibigan natin, mga golfers sa Cebu, last minute yung mga yan nandito lang naman kasi, But I would just like to remind them that there will be a limited number of players, only a maximum of 130 players that we will make available.
Pegged at 5,000 pesos, the registration fee is already inclusive of the green and caddy fees, the use of golf cart, and holes-in-one prizes.